Hello friends, today we discuss about hotel security measures and mock drills. It is very important in 5-star hotels. Security plays very important role in public and non-public areas. Maintain guest trust of the hotel safety. It is very important to everyone, employee and security staff participation, keeping your eyes open and observe surroundings and any suspicious persons around you. Observe their body language, all activities, guest dress code and their behavior. Identify them with the color of wearing their dress. Inform to your superiors if any suspicious persons you suspect them. Immediately inform to your superiors. Uncommon situation handling by staff important in a professional manner with thorough security practices. Make an eye contact with guest or any person. Don't wait, immediately inform to your seniors. It is not your job to handle them directly. Simply report to your superiors. They will take care about the rest of the action. In mock drill time, take all guest related details, copy, front office, locker key, revenue report, room keys. Always should give one to guest and another to housekeeping staff. Always take care about guest room keys. In case of misplacement, inform to security immediately. Security will take care. Fire safety measures, fire extinguishing and certification updates, staff training, education is very important. All staff share their knowledge, cooperate with yield to good results. Staff don't need to panic. Silently take all the important documents, attendance reports, laptops, mobile phones, locker keys from front office as well as finance locker keys. Assemble at one point and cooperate with security staff. Thank you very much.